The new rich don't just work. In every economic era, wealth flows toward whoever controls the infrastructure, not the workers, the infrastructure owners. Infrastructure creates leverage. Roads, railroads, factories, television networks, software platforms. The people who own the systems captured the majority of the value. AI may accelerate that pattern. A new class of owners is emerging. Today, infrastructure no longer only means physical assets. It also means audiences, software, automation, distribution, digital systems, recurring attention. The modern economy is increasingly built on invisible infrastructure. Labor has limits. Traditional income depends on continued effort. You work, you earn, you stop. Income slows down. That model creates limits. Even high income professionals remain tied to time. Systems scale differently. Infrastructure scales beyond individual labor. A software platform can serve millions. A digital audience can generate recurring opportunities. An automated system can operate continuously. Ownership changes the economics completely. The internet rewards distribution. The modern economy increasingly rewards whoever controls distribution. Attention is infrastructure. Audiences are infrastructure. Platforms are infrastructure. The ability to reach people at scale has become an economic asset. AI makes infrastructure easier to build. In previous eras, building systems required massive teams and capital. Now, individuals can use AI to create products, automate operations, scale content, build audiences, launch digital assets. Barriers are dropping. An audience is an asset. A loyal audience is no longer just social validation. It's economic infrastructure because attention can become traffic, sales, opportunities, leverage, distribution. Automation is infrastructure. Every automated workflow reduces dependency on manual effort. That creates scalability, efficiency, repeatability, and leverage. Automation compounds over time. Digital products scale globally. Digital assets can be duplicated endlessly at near zero cost. Templates, courses, software, media, systems. The economics are radically different from trading hours for money. The most valuable systems generate recurring value. The strongest infrastructure keeps producing value repeatedly, not once, repeatedly. That's why recurring systems become so powerful. Stop asking, how do I earn more? That's still an employee framework. Infrastructure owners ask, what can I build once? What can scale? What can operate repeatedly? What can continue producing value? That's a different game. The goal isn't status. The old economy rewarded visible status, titles, offices, corporate prestige. The new economy increasingly rewards invisible leverage, quiet systems producing continuous results. Ownership creates optionality. When your income depends entirely on labor, flexibility disappears. But systems create options, and optionality becomes a form of security. The future may favor builders over climbers. The traditional model taught people to climb existing structures. The next era may reward people who quietly build their own. Two economic classes may emerge. One group will mostly consume systems built by others. The other group will own pieces of those systems. That gap may become increasingly important. Most people still think short term. Many people still optimize only for immediate income. But infrastructure thinking focuses on long term compounding. That difference changes outcomes over years. This transition is still early. Right now, the opportunity is still asymmetric. Most people are distracted by short term noise. Meanwhile, others are quietly accumulating audiences, automation, distribution, digital assets, and leverage systems. Those systems compound. The new rich own systems. The next wealthy class may not look traditional. Smaller teams, digital infrastructure, automated leverage, global distribution, ownership is evolving. New rich are infrastructure owners. Future may belong to the people who own attention, systems, automation, platforms, distribution, not just the people who work inside them. I hope you're enjoying the course. Leave us a comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching.